ready to run, run, run. Here we come, revving our engines under the sun. You're cruising for a bruising. Two wheels and an open road, wrapped in leather, ready to go. Don't stop, stop the music. We ride fast like a bullet. We do anything we want, anytime we want. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We just ride, ride, ride all day. We're not gonna live any other way.
Bubblegum, cherry pop, go to the hop. Hanging with my brother cause his friends are so hot while they're cruising for some bruising.
Alright, I went to the drive-in, what did I see? 100 little baddies all staring at me. I was cruising for some loving. I got these two wheels and an open road. Just not gonna live any other way. No, we're not gonna live any other way. Oh no, we're not gonna live any other way.
the King Kong banging on your chest. You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk the guy, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself. Sitting in the Hall of Fame, yeah. And the world's gonna know your name, yeah. 'Cause you burn with the first flame, yeah. And the world's gonna know your name, yeah. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You know the distance, you can run the mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile. You could be the hero, the gold, breaking all the records under the cookie roll.